Hey guys, so we are camping at Camp Glen Bay in San Diego. There's Kaylee back there. Kaylee, come say hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Yeah, hi YouTube. We're gonna be playing some of this. We don't know what this is, but we got ball and we got two of these, so we're gonna be playing some. But yeah, hopefully you guys will be able to see. I don't know if we just kind of Kaylee, stay in the view. There's wind. It's favoring you. The wind is. Here we go. You ready? Nope. I'm ready. Oh gosh! I was bored. Stop doing that! Doing what? Ah! Oh, I got it. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah. Oh. No! Hey guys, what's up? We're camping. Everyone say hi.
Oh, no.
Wow! We're in this store thing at the camp place. Look how expensive. This is an outrage. $199 for an ice cream witch. Where is the ice cream witch?
It's right there.
I want that.
I want that. I love those.
Same. Get them. Yes, ice cream witches. $199. I hope you have a couple $100.
Oh God, we can only buy one.
Look at these. I had one of these when I was little.
Oh, these are cool. These are solar.
They're solar, like solar. They're solar lit.
I don't think so.
Yeah, they are. You know our calculators? Our calculators are solar lit.
That said Amazon.
Oh look, they have Ride Lit. Ride Lit. You see it on the skateboard? We're gonna play live. I got one again. This is rigged. What? This is rigged. 4. All right. So, college path. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, Kaylee, go. 4.
Doesn't matter which way.
No, you have to go this way. This is your career path. Go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, you have to stop there. What did it say? Get married.
It's
Kaylee
your
got
wedding
married.
day. Papa
Woo!
paying you.
There's fireworks over there from SeaWorld. Do you see them, guys? These little tiny fireworks. They're really far away. That's why they're so tiny. This is so boring. Everyone's just standing here. Rave. Let's see. We're gonna see how boring this is. We're going over to all the boringness. Audio. Wow.
That's great though. It looks like it's not really fair.
I know. Turn up, Kaylee. We're like the weirdest people out here. Everyone's staring at us. We gotta get out of here. It's so weird. People like start watching you. Woo! Oh my gosh. Okay, we're driving on top of that big bridge that I just... Coronado?
That's the only way to get there.
Wow.
see my face yet. It's great.
We out here in Coronado.
We out here.
We out
chilling
here.
in Coronado.
Yeah. It's so cool. The sky looks really cool on the camera too, but there's a lot of stuff here and it looks really cool. By the way, guys, this is on an island. We're on an island. We're at the beach part of the island. It's pretty cool. There's a giant ship over there. It's like a carrier ship, so it's carrying a bunch of cargo and stuff. And yeah, look at this. There's a lot. There's over there. You guys can see the I don't know what that is. Oh wow, the sand is sparkly. That's cool. Yeah, the sand is the coolest sand I've ever seen in California, literally. Yeah, we're Kaylee's filming some videos for something. I don't know what she's filming, but there's water looks really cool too. But yeah, this is really cool. It looks like we're in Hawaii almost. Like if you guys look at this, like look at that. Hawaii, just kidding, we're in Coronado. Coronado. This is what I think, this is so sparkly. What on earth? Someone pour sparkles all over the sand or something? It's so cool. So cool. I'm gonna take off my shoes so I can feel the water too and take you guys into the ocean with me. This sand is sparkly. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's sparkly. That is sparkles. I don't know what that sparkle is, but I wonder if this water is cold. Ooh, I can feel the cold. Yeah, that's cold. Oh, jeez, it's getting colder. That is really cold, actually. I wasn't expecting it. Glitter. This is cool. It's like so calm out here in the start of it. Unlike other oceans. Woo! Okay, here we go. This is brilliant. Okay. Look at those birds eating some Starbucks. We just ate this pizza. It was really good. My only slice looked like that one. It was crazy.
So yeah, so mine did too.
HD. We out here. Hi guys, so we just went horseback riding. There will be pictures posted right now. And yeah, so we are here. We're up on a huge hill in San Diego, and we're going to Old Town, which is like a bunch of Mexican like food and Mexican stuff. Really, that's really all it is. Everyone likes Spanish. But yeah, we parked at the top of this hill, and we're gonna walk all the way. I don't know if you guys can see, but all the way over there. It's even further than that, but we gotta walk down. There's Grandma and Papa over there. Oh, there was puppies in that car. But yeah. Did I get that on camera? Oh my gosh, a flower just hit me in the face, in the eyeball. But we're walking kind of funky because we just got off these horses after riding them for 2 hours. So it kind of feels weird to walk. We're going into this candy shop.
together?
No, one half together. God. Here, I'll pretend. There we go. Do you want some?
No.
Oh, whatever.
Hey Cheyenne.
Wow, that's weird. Hey guys, so we just got home, fast forwarding to Monday, and yeah, so Kaylee just went outside to start the barbecue, and I locked her out. So I want to see what she does. She has no idea. She was listening to music, so she couldn't hear me. But she's out there. There's a bug. Hey Lizzie. Oh my gosh. You didn't see me though. I saw you looking.
I was like, look at her.
At first, did you think that it was just having difficulty opening?
No, I knew you locked it because I heard
Look
you.
at Charlie, he wants to play.
Bye.
He wanted to play. Poor dog. But I'm looking for my candy right now, and I can't find it. And I don't know what to do because I'm gonna show you guys. We went to the candy store that I showed you guys, and I cannot find my candy. Yeah. So, anyways, we're home now, and yeah, we got here. Earlier today on Monday. So yeah, anyways, that's gonna be the end of this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.